हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम पढ़ेंगे साइंस की 26 वर्कशीट जिसका टॉपिक है ह्यूमन रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम। ह्यूमन रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम ऑर्गन सिस्टम है जिसके अंदर इनहेलिंग ऑफ ऑक्सीजन दैट इज एयर एंड एक्सहेलिंग ऑफ कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड इज डन। ओके, नाउ human respiratory system is made up of different parts such as nose, larynx, pharynx, trachea, bronchi, alveoli and lungs. Now if we see at the nose के पास exterior nostrils हैं जिसके अंदर टाइनी एयर फॉलिकल्स हैं और पूरी नोज़ की इंटीरियर लाइनिंग, नोस्ट्रिल्स की पूरी इंटीरियर लाइनिंग को टाइनी एयर फॉलिकल्स कवर कर रहे हैं। क्यों हैं, क्या ज़रूरत है हमें हेयर फॉलिकल्स की नोस्ट्रिल्स के अंदर? तो दीज एक्ट एज बॉडीज डिफेंस सिस्टम। हाउ? जब भी कोई फॉरेन पार्टिकल आएगा, फॉरेन पैथोजन आएगा, तो क्या होगा? ये टाइनी हेयर फॉलिकल्स उसको ट्रैप कर लेंगे, उसको रोक लेंगे। प्लस जितनी भी ह्यूमिडिटी है, अगर हम अपनी नोज़ को देखें तो इंटरनली नोज़ मॉइस्ट होती है और वो मॉइस्चर ज़रूरी है, उसका भी काम है। हाउ? The function is कि whenever a pathogen or any other particle leaves the trap, it gets embedded in the moisture and our body is defended against these pathogens or foreign particles. Now let's talk about larynx. Larynx is also known as Adam's apple or voice box, or this is more prominent in boys rather than girls, and this is the portion which rises and falls during swallowing of the food particles. Now comes pharynx. Pharynx is the wide hollow space which is termed as pharynx and common path for both air and food. Now its function is to prevent the entry of food particles into the windpipe. This is followed by epiglottis, which is an elastic cartilage which serves as a switch between larynx and esophagus. Now see, whenever any particle enters our larynx instead of esophagus, we have a bout of coughing. ओके, जब भी कोई पार्टिकल हमारे larynx में चला गया, फूड पाइप की जगह, तो हम क्या करेंगे? बहुत ज़ोर से खांसेंगे, ठीक है? दैट वे वी कैन आउट इट, ये निकल जाएगा हमारे फेरिंक्स से एंड वी विल बी सेफ. नाउ ट्रेकिया. ट्रेकिया इज द part which is comprised of C-shaped cartilaginous rings, and this trachea protects the windpipe from collapsing. Bronchi. Trachea splits into two tubes known as bronchi or bronchus, और lungs में enter करेंगे, both lungs में individually, और आगे जाकर bronchi will divide into secondary, tertiary and bronchioles. Now bronchioles are further divided into alveoli. Alveoli are very small single celled thin walled balloon like structures which are filled with air. Actually, when our lungs take the air or oxygen from the air, that part which takes the oxygen, that is alveoli, bronchioles, and then they got further divided into alveoli. You can see here, these are single celled alveoli. These are the place where oxygen is absorbed from the air by the lungs. After this, we talk about lungs. In human beings, lungs are the chief center of respiration and are located in our thoracic cavity of chest near the backbone and on both sides of the heart. Lungs are large, spongy organs and mainly involve exchange of gases between the blood and air. Compared to left lung, right lung is quite bigger and heavier. The reason being, heart is also placed next to left lung. That is why it is smaller as compared to right lung. Now let's talk about some questions. First question is, what is the function of alveoli? Now alveoli is the place for oxygen exchange. Site for gaseous exchange is lungs. Differentiation between inhalation and exhalation, you can see here. When we inhale, we take oxygen. When we exhale, we remove carbon dioxide from our body. In inhalation, thoracic cavity expands. In exhalation, thoracic cavity contracts. Inhalation, ribs lift up. Exhalation, ribs move down. Inhalation में डायफ्राम जो है वो फ्लैट हो जाएगी और एक्सहेलेशन में डोम शेप हो जाएगी. एंड इनहेलेशन में वॉल्यूम ऑफ लंग्स इंक्रीजेज बिकॉज air enters the lungs, but during exhalation lungs will contract to squeeze out the carbon dioxide. That's why the volume of lungs decreases and air exists from lungs. You can see the diagram above and draw it yourself now. And also you can observe the movement of your stomach during exhalation and inhalation and the reasons also. I hope आपको समझ आया होगा and you will be able to understand the subject matter. Thank you.